Welcome to WalkWood Furniture. Here, we just don't rescue forgotten pieces, we restore their stories. Every curve, every carving, every imperfection is treated with patience, respect, and intention. Today, we invite you to another transformation from the WalkWood collection, the Muscle Vanity Signature Edition. Every so often, a piece arrives at WalkWood that feels different. Not just another restoration, but a story that's waiting to be retold. This is the Mausoleum, a vanity born in another era, and today, reborn for a new one. When I first found her, the wood was dull, the mirror clouded, and the drawers barely moved. But beneath the dust, I saw lines that spoke of grace. It wasn't forgotten beauty, it was paused beauty, and in that moment, I knew this piece had more to say. Every Rockwood revival begins the same way, with patience, cleaning, sanding, and listening. The old finish had to go, but I took my time because every stroke of sandpaper is a conversation. The hardware became her jewelry. Smoke bowl full, simple, sculptural, perfectly balanced against her cloth tone. Six placements, each one metric to line with intention. It's not just hardware, it's harmony. The mirror came next, clean, restored, and left crystal clear. Because the mausoleum doesn't hide behind reflection. She owns it. You can see yourself in her story, but she'll always keep her mystery. And when it all came together, I stood back and smiled. This wasn't the same vanity that came into the shop. It was a vision brought to life, moody, magnetic, unapologetically feminine. Every angle glowed under soft light. Every curve told a story again. At WalkWood, we believe every forgotten piece deserves another chance. It's not just furniture, it's memory, art, and emotion. The Marshall Lynn is proof that beauty never really fades. We just wait for the right hand to bring it back.
You've been watching WalkWood Furniture, where every makeover is a showstopper. Hit that subscribe button and join us for the next transformation.